aboard the Disneyland Monorail. We are now beginning a 2.5-mile journey to downtown Disney Station and back. For a safe trip, remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the catcher. To the left of the monorail is the main entrance of Disneyland, the happiest place on earth. Disneyland is truly an American original. Since its opening in 1955, it has hosted hundreds of millions of guests from around the world, including presidents, kings, and celebrities. It is the original Disney theme park, created and enjoyed by Walt Disney himself. To the right is our transportation plaza, where you'll find taxis, hotel shuttles, and public transit stops. We're about to enter Disneyland. Some of the
Monorail
clearances are
Red,
pretty tight
going to
ahead,
park.
so be sure to remain seated, keeping your hands and arms inside the cabin. This is Tomorrowland, a land inspired by science fact and fantasy. Below us is the Submarine Lagoon, where you can dive into a fantastic underwater adventure aboard the Finding Nemo submarine voyage. Across the way are the icy peaks of Matterhorn Mountain, home of the world's most famous bobsled ride. And beneath us is the Autopia, where drivers of all ages can travel the road to tomorrow. As we cruise over Tomorrowland, our pilot would like to share a few program reminders.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard Monorail Red. My name is Neil, and I'll be your pilot today. Just as a reminder, folks, Disneyland Park will be closing tonight at 9 o'clock. Our last train of the evening will be dispatched promptly at 9, so you might want to make sure you're back in Tomorrowland by no later than 8:45. Downtown Disney Station will be closing at 8:30 for re-entry. We have Fantasmic showing at 7:45 tonight. Please keep in mind you will need a fast pass in order for the viewing areas for Fantasmic. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you enjoy the rest of your stay with us here at the Disneyland Resort. Monorail Central for Monorail Red requesting clearance at Tomorrowland. Red copies clear to
Tomorrow at
Tomorrowland.
the monorail, you just might spot the sparkling gold spires of one of
here's this guy
Disney's
again.
most beloved attractions. It's a small world.
Go.
And now we're riding alongside the happiest kingdom of them all, Fantasyland, home to Pinocchio, Snow White, Peter Pan, and other storybook characters. We're now approaching the Tomorrowland Monorail Station, our final destination. Please remain seated until the monorail comes to a complete stop. Then collect your belongings, watch your head, and step carefully from the train. On behalf of all of our crew, thanks for traveling with us. And we hope you'll have a happy and memorable visit here at Disneyland. This is the Tomorrowland Monorail Station.
We just rode the monorail, and as you can see in the video, the door on the monorail had to be taped. It was falling apart, so fortunately we were still able to ride it.